Hello there, let's talk today about this telescopic pole for the USA flag. I got it from Amazon and I have it here in my office. So as you can see, it's an extendable pole. It has two sections. You can extend from here, so it goes down like this. And there's a second section here, so you can pull it like this. You see, that's the lower it can go. It comes here with this eagle. Okay, you can put it on the top. And then you can extend the pole like this. Here you go, the maximum extend here because the flag is holding it here. And then you can extend it again from this other part here. And it goes up and it's pretty high here, right? It's 8 feet total, okay? So I had to extend my hands like this to reach the eagle, and I'm 6'2", okay, so it's pretty good. Compare here how tall this thing is, and here on the base you can insert it here that way. You see here, you can just pull it that way. It's pretty easy. You just need to put it here and snap it in place. And here inside it comes with this little thing here, which is an adapter, because I think this hole here is too large, and then they send this adapter, so it comes here to fit here in the place. It's pretty nice, it works. Okay, so back here to the eagle, here you can remove it if you like. Turn it the way. It's a kind of plastic here with this eagle, so you can turn it and remove it the way. And here there's a clip that you can remove the flag just like that. So here we go, here's the flag and here's the eagle. It's a plastic eagle. I'll just approach here so you can see it better. Here we go. That's the one. Okay. And this is the part that goes here to the pole. I'll just put it back here into its place. Here we go. Just spinning like this. And then you put this thing back on place. Pretty easy to assemble, you know. Here you go, back into place. Then you can just extend it again. And here you have it. And I'm pretty happy with this product, okay? And when it came at first, I have to iron it because the flag was like with a lot of marks, because it was folded, so I have to iron it. You guys can see this on the background, so I'm recording videos with the flag on the background, so it's pretty nice. I like it and I recommend it.